First help level for Solana certainly is at $28.20, which really is genuinely critical. Solana for the most part is as of now esteemed at $132.35. Sol cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline, which really is genuinely huge. Solana's MA10 essentially shows a vertical pattern, which by and large is very critical. Zo5 Walk 2024. In this we will basically walk you through Solana cost examination for now or for the following week and essentially attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense, clarified pressing issues facts. What all things considered is transient cost expectation for Solana. Fundamentally is Sol an excellent interest in a buy and large enormous manner. Solana support and opposition levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. In any case, prior to jumping sort of profound into the Sol specialized examination, essentially let us fundamentally discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which generally is genuinely critical. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours. There generally was a destruction of 184%, bringing the fundamentally whole cryptographic money market to $2 380, 706, 34, 9 and 32 in a significant manner. The for the most part all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $222, 4060, 527, 066, so the really absolute exchanging volume sort of stands at $222, 460, 527, 066, or so they by and large thought. Bitcoin shares 52.04% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $62,801.76 level after a decay of 571% in an especially enormous manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value decline of 9% coming to $3,559.78 during the past 24 hours, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value lessening of 0.9% coming to $3,559.78 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $401.59. Following a value change of 321% within a similar time span, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Sol, the local coin of Solana in every practical sense, is up by 146 and presently exchanging at $132.35. Furthermore, XRP came to $0.61 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 596% in esteem, exhibiting how Sol, the exceptionally local coin of Solana in every practical sense, is up by 146 and as of now exchanging at $132.35, which truly is very huge. These occasions truly show that the market most certainly is going in a kind of descending heading for most certainly present moment, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. As of now, a very broad, especially bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. So these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market really is going in a descending bearing for genuinely momentary in a truly significant manner. Solana backing and opposition backing and obstruction really are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense recognize certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there essentially was a defeat of 184%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $2 380, 706, 34, 9 32 incredibly. Support explicitly is a level at which purchases essentially become sort of more truly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any kind of additional incredibly. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which merchants explicitly become move in every practical sense, dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how market examination over the especially last 24 hours there for the most part was a defeat of 184%. Bringing the essentially whole digital money market to $2 380, 706, 34, 9 32 amazingly. Following explicitly are the help and opposition levels of Solana Sol Solana execution. The cost of Solana Sol generally is at $132.35, up 146% in the kind of beyond 24 hours, and explicitly has a value change of 22.33% throughout the week in a kind of large manner. 1 day exchanging volume for BTC fundamentally is 6,976, 558, 680 as rest, while truly all-out market cap came to $58, 558 at 41, 191 as rest, showing how these occasions generally demonstrate that the market truly is going in a descending bearing for especially transient in a genuinely enormous manner. They're sort of just about 442, 437, 1868 in every way that really matters are available for use out of 571,225,28, which by and large is very huge. Solana Value Examination Sol Cost Investigation for ZO5 Walk 2024 inside a genuinely everyday time period, all things considered, made sense of beneath, or so they explicitly thought. We utilize certainly relative strength indexes, moving truly normal combination and disparity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, straightforward moving truly normal smart and dramatic moving truly normal MR to basically break down the future development of the Solana, which essentially shows that there in a real sense are very nearly 442, 437, 868 for the most part are available for use out of 571,225,028, which by and large is very critical. The Sol used moving pretty normal combination and difference MACD marker in every practical sense is showing a kind of present moment generally sell fundamentally signal as the MACD line basically is moving beneath kind of sign line, which especially implies explicitly bears especially are overwhelming on the lookout, exhibiting that help. Certainly is a level at which purchases sort of become kind of more really dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which for the most part is very critical. While Sol's Williams %R marker in every practical sense is at 49,481 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange truly signal sort of is all things considered, conceivable at this reach, so support in a real sense is a level at which purchases most certainly become considerably more truly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which sort of is very critical. The very relative strength file RSI for Sol coin fundamentally is right now drifting at 31 for 14 days in every practical sense normal line, which truly implies Sol generally is simply recuperating from an oversold condition, truly further appearance how 05 Walk 2024. In this we will in a real sense walk you through Solana cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and truly attempt to answer these as often as possible fundamentally. Sought clarification on some pressing issues facts, what basically will be essentially transient cost expectation for Solana, in every way that really matters, is solid by and large wise speculation, which truly is very critical. Ends as per our specialized examination information. The momentary estimate for the Solana cost certainly is for the most part bullish at the hour of composing, showing how while Sol's Williams %R pointer truly is at 49,481 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition. Exchange in every practical sense, signal basically is conceivable at this reach, so support in a real sense is a level at which purchases all things considered become essentially more buy and large dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further,